If your receiver-in-canal hearing aids use non-rechargeable batteries, they will need to be changed regularly. The rate at which you need to change them will depend on the size of the battery and how often you use your hearing aids. Regardless, you'll know when it's time to change the battery if you notice any of the following. Sounds are becoming distorted, your hearing aid is beeping at you, or no sound is being produced. Changing your hearing aid batteries is easy but can take some practice. All non-rechargeable hearing aids follow the colour-coded battery size system. The colour reflects the size of a battery. The 4 colours are yellow, size 10, brown, size 312, orange, size 13, and blue, size 675. You should already know the colour battery your hearing aids take. If you are unsure, check one of your old battery packets. We recommend you keep spare batteries at home. You can purchase batteries from your local Specsavers. To replace the battery, open the battery door and remove the battery. If the battery is stuck, gently tap it with a cleaning stick. Take a new battery from the packet. Using a magnetic tool like this one may make it easier. Remove the protective sticker. Place the battery in the door and close the door, making sure it is firmly shut. If the door does not close, you may have inserted the battery upside down. Take the battery out, turn it over and place it back in the door. The door should now close with ease. Test the hearing aid by cupping it in your hand. If you or someone with you hears a whistling sound, similar to this one, your hearing aid is producing sound and is ready for use. To prolong the life of your batteries, remember to turn your hearing aids off whenever you are not using them. Simply open the battery door to turn the hearing aids off. If you would like some assistance, our audiology professionals are always here to help. Contact your local Specsavers or book a hearing aid repair appointment online.